How to log in SoundCloud account. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. So the first thing is you need to open up your SoundCloud application on your device. Right after opening up, you will be able to see this interface. So at the lower button, you can see there is an option for create an account, and I already have an account. Since we are trying to log into the account that we already have, you have to go for the second option, which is I already have an account. And for secure, it has been opened up to a browser. If it's not open up on your browser, then also you'll be able to see this interface on your SoundCloud application. So here you can see, in order to log in, you can either continue with Facebook, Google or Apple. You can also enter your email and password and you can go for continue. For entering, you have to simply tap on the text field over here and you have to enter your email address. Once you are done, you can go for continue. And in this section, you need to enter your password associated with your SoundCloud account. If you forget your password, then you can go for forget your password option, where you will be helped to reset your password, and once again you will be able to log into your account. Once you are done entering your password, you can go for continue. Few seconds later, you can see my account has been logged in and various music can be seen over here. So this is how you log in SoundCloud account. I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.